Luoyang Bizoe Furniture Technology Company Limited, established in 2010, is a professional engaged in the research, development, sale, and service of drawer cabinet, filing cabinet, metal locker, mobile shelving, metal bed. We are located in Luoyang with convenient transportation access, who is covering an area of 6,000 square meters and having 1 modern production lines, and also has the production ability of more than 10,000 pieces each month. We dedicate to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. Our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In addition, we have obtained ISO 9001 certificates. Selling well in all cities and provinces around China, we also cooperate with many foreign trading companies in China export products to all over the world by foreign trading companies. We aim at pursuing of excellent quality and building renowned brand, and becoming the leader brand in steel office furniture industry. Adhering to the business principle of mutual benefits, we have had a reliable reputation among our customers because of our professional services, quality products, and competitive prices. We warmly welcome customers from at home and abroad to cooperate with us for common success. We also welcome OEM, ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements.
We can provide all kinds of metal cabinet like drawer cabinet, file cabinet, steel cupboard, metal locker, mobile shelving, metal bed to meet your requirements. Welcome to contact us.